Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a beautiful house that was recently reduced in price. It was reduced by Jamaican 6 million or US $38.9 thousand. This is your ideal investment property as a Airbnb Oasis or your dream home for you and your family. Located in the cool and quiet Belvedere Red Hills area, this home offers suburban rural charm. Enjoy the crisp, clean air and its closeness to nature. It comes with 10 bedrooms, each with its own bathroom and a balcony. There is also a helper's quarters. Any room can be converted in your office if there is a need for one. There is also an attached two-bedroom, two-bathroom, self-contained flat with balcony without access to the main house. Here again lies another opportunity for extra income. The main house has two generous floating wraparound balconies that captures the sunrise and sunsets and magnificent views of mountains and all the way to the Norman Manley Airport. One of these balconies are on the west wing and the other on the private master east wing. A large family room for all the gatherings, two kitchens, two dining rooms, swimming pool, enclosed automatic two-car garage, electronic gate, and landscaped grounds. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The new asking price for this house is Jamaican 123 million or US $777.4 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.